Yo, 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 what it do? It's your boy Al Wu. And look at this. I need y'all to help continue the family grow. We are steady growing. So, if it is your first time, thank you, but hit that subscribe button. We are going to continue to hit you with those dope contents. That's right. Today, I want to go over somebody that they call Drip Bayless. The one, the only, the Mr. LeBron James hater professional. Made a career for the last 20 plus years hating on this man, LeBron James. This is the hate I'm talking about, y'all. But Drip Bayless, aka Skip Bayless, always had these Jordans. Look at him. I mean, why does somebody in his stylist crew tell him to go down a couple sizes? I mean, those shoes look like they don't. It looked like they was the players' shoes, and he went and took them out the back room after an interview. Look at that. Well, I mean, he tried. He tried when he was on TV with Stephen A. He tried when he was on TV with Shannon Sharp to keep the drip going, man. But what are those Jordans? Number one, I got a whole video talking about those snake skin looking Jordans, and you see he got them on. Yo, having these blazers with these tight black jeans, man, that's crazy work. And if you notice, every shoe is changing except for his outfit. My man's believe he gotta stand there as intimidating as possible. Look at his poses. Ah, like he doing a kung fu. But no lie, some of those Jordans, look at those. Some of them he didn't come in with the heat, like them 11s. But a lot of them, man, I remember though a couple years back, I seen him trying to go on his Instagram, and I'm like, what the? Are those Team Jordans he's wearing? Why you talk about Jordan or Michael Jeffrey Jordan? You need to get his actual retros, Mr. Drip Bayless. Yes, we are going to open up a case. Yep, he's going to be in the fashion police court. But no, all jokes aside, man, shout out to Skip Bayless with his Jordan game. He's been trying to stay Drip Bayless because Lil Wayne gave him the little chain and everything on Undisputed. But unfortunately, there will be no more Undisputed, man. So I don't know if y'all want to continue to watch anything related to Mr. Drip Bayless, but go on his Instagram. He'll tell you what he's doing next. Or you'll see them long Jordans he's wearing. They look like they two sizes. Man, they look like they two sizes bigger. Shout out to all my family, y'all, keeping me motivated. It's your boy Al Wu with the shoe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to meet us at 10. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Wu with the shoe.